There's something truly special about a steaming bowl of homemade spaghetti. The aroma of fresh basil, the rich, savory sauce, and the perfectly cooked pasta all come together to create a symphony of flavors that dance on your taste buds. It's a dish that speaks to the soul, comforting and satisfying in equal measure. Each bite brings a sense of warmth and nostalgia, reminding us of family gatherings and cherished moments around the dinner table. Forget those boxed dinners tonight, we're gonna make some magic. Store-bought spaghetti can never compare to the love and care that goes into a homemade dish. The difference is night and day. Making your own spaghetti is a journey of culinary discovery, a chance to connect with a beloved Italian tradition. From selecting the freshest ingredients to mastering the art of pasta making, every step is an adventure. It's easier than you think, I promise. With a few simple steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a masterpiece. Start by boiling your pasta to al dente perfection, then prepare a sauce that complements your noodles beautifully. Plus, it's way more affordable than going out to eat. When you make spaghetti at home, you not only save money but also have the freedom to customize your dish to your liking. You can add your favorite vegetables, meats, or even experiment with different types of pasta. With a little patience and a dash of passion, you can create a spaghetti dish that will have your family and friends raving. Imagine the joy on their faces as they take their first bite, savoring the flavors that you so lovingly crafted. So tie on those aprons, folks. Let's get cooking. Embrace the process, enjoy the journey, and most importantly, have fun. Cooking is an expression of love, and there's no better way to show it than with a delicious plate of homemade spaghetti. Before we dive into the cooking process, let's gather our ingredients and tools. Don't worry, we're keeping it simple. For the spaghetti, you'll need just 4 ingredients: all-purpose flour, eggs, water, and a pinch of salt. See? Easy peasy. You'll also need a large mixing bowl, a rolling pin or pasta machine, optional but fun, a sharp knife, and a large pot for cooking the pasta. Ready? Set. Let's go. Now comes the fun part, making the spaghetti. This is where the magic happens, and you get to transform simple ingredients into a delicious meal. Pour the flour onto a clean surface and make a well in the center. This well will hold the eggs and help you mix everything together without making a mess. Crack the eggs into the well and add a pinch of salt. The salt enhances the flavor of the pasta, making it taste even better. Using a fork, gradually incorporate the flour into the eggs, starting from the center and working your way outwards. This step is crucial for ensuring that the dough is well mixed and smooth. Add water, a tablespoon at a time, until you have a smooth and elastic dough. Be careful not to add too much water at once. You want to achieve the perfect consistency. Knead the dough for about 10 minutes until it's smooth and springy. This process develops the gluten, giving the pasta its structure and chewiness. Wrap it in plastic wrap and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. Resting the dough is essential as it allows the gluten to relax, making it easier to roll out later. This gives the gluten a chance to relax. While the dough is resting, you can prepare your sauce or any other ingredients you plan to use with your spaghetti. This resting period is a great time to clean up your workspace and get ready for the next steps in your pasta making journey. Section 4. Tips for perfecting your pasta. Making pasta from scratch can be a rewarding experience, and with a few tips, you can perfect your technique and impress your friends and family. Now, roll out the dough using a rolling pin or pasta machine. The key here is to ensure the dough is evenly rolled out to achieve a consistent texture. If you're using a rolling pin, roll the dough as thinly as possible. This might take some effort, but the thinner the dough, the better the pasta will be. If you're using a pasta machine, start on the widest setting and gradually work your way down to the thinnest setting. This step-by-step process helps in achieving the perfect thinness without tearing the dough. Cut the dough into long, thin strands using a sharp knife or a pasta cutter attachment. Consistency in the thickness of the strands ensures even cooking. Dust the strands with flour to prevent sticking. This is crucial, especially if you're not cooking the pasta immediately. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil. The salt not only flavors the pasta, but also helps in maintaining the boiling point of the water. Add the spaghetti and cook for 2 to 3 minutes, or until al dente. Fresh pasta cooks much faster than dried pasta, so keep an eye on it. Remember, al dente means it should still have a slight bite to it. This texture is what gives pasta its signature chewiness and makes it perfect for holding onto sauces. Once your pasta is cooked to perfection, don't forget to toss it with your favorite sauce. The sauce should coat the pasta evenly, enhancing its flavor. Finish off your dish with a sprinkle of grated cheese and some fresh herbs. These final touches can elevate your pasta dish from good to great. Serve your pasta immediately for the best taste and texture. Enjoy your homemade pasta, and don't be afraid to experiment with different shapes and sauces to find your perfect combination. Section 5. Personalizing your plate. Once your spaghetti is cooked, the possibilities are endless. Toss it with your favorite sauce, whether it's a classic tomato sauce, a creamy Alfredo, or a simple garlic and olive oil sauce. Get creative with your toppings. Add fresh herbs like basil or parsley, grated Parmesan cheese, sautéed vegetables, or your favorite protein like grilled chicken or shrimp. Remember, this is your culinary masterpiece. Section 6. Embrace the spaghetti journey. Making homemade spaghetti is a labor of love, but trust me, it's worth every minute. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water, and the taste? Simply divine. Don't be afraid to experiment and make it your own. Add a pinch of this or a dash of that, and most importantly, have fun with it. The kitchen is your playground, so get in there and get cooking. So, gather your ingredients, put on some music, and embark on this delicious journey. You'll be amazed at what you can create. Buon appetito!